Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring power and connectivity. Make sure both devices have at least 50% battery and share the same network. Next, enable Bluetooth on your iPhone and open the Watch app. Tap Start Pairing to kick things off. If you're moving to a new iPhone, back up the old phone to iCloud or Finder first, because the Watch backup happens during unpairing. This preserves health, settings, and complications. Once done, you're ready to move into the transfer sequence. Now unpair the Watch from the old iPhone inside the Watch app. This action generates an encrypted backup automatically, which you will need. Once unpaired, sign into your new iPhone with the same Apple ID and open the Watch app. Choose Restore from Backup when prompted. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You may be asked for your Apple ID password, to select which backup, and to choose App Restore options. Make sure to stay near both devices and keep Bluetooth enabled while the sync completes. Finish by waiting for the Watch to fully sync. Watch faces, apps, and health data will appear gradually, so don't interrupt. Once synced, re-enable services like Apple Pay, Siri, and health permissions. You'll be asked to authenticate cards and confirm settings. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Unpair and reset the Watch, then repair it again. Also check iCloud storage and Wi-Fi/Bluetooth strength. Weak connections or a lack of iCloud space are the most common blockers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.